Yep, that girl was just in the video smiling. Howdy, howdy. Good morning to you. The birds are chirping. No, it's like afternoon right now. It's like raining once again. Another vlog while it's raining. So anyways, we're going on the road right now. My hair is like soaking wet because I washed it. I didn't get to fully dry it because we're in a rush to go do what we have to do.
Wait, key.
Mr. Driver.
But I just get key.
No, you didn't. You didn't. So everyone wants to know who the driver is. So this is Ziggy. Ziggy, that's what you want to go by? Ziggy? He's actually so freaking feisty. But we are going in the town to get some food and to go get a cake because tomorrow's my mom's birthday. That's what we're doing. That's all we're doing today? We're gonna get patty. Patty. Is it juicy or tasty? I forgot.
Juicy place. The police run me off on the property last night.
So this is Lauren. Yeah. I think I say your name like I make it sound like a girl. How you pronounce your name? Lauren. So this is
I know. Oh.
Lauren.
Yeah, Lauren.
I say his name too nice, but I say everyone's name. It's an O or A?
Oh. My name Lorraine. It's Lorraine.
So we're dropping him to work. He's getting a free ride today.
Yep.
This ugly one's gonna get a lineup. So needed. Juicy patties. Why so mad? There's only one person walking. 2 cashiers.
What kind of soup on have you? Meat in there or not in there?
Here comes Spranga. Yeah?
I'm gonna get a beef patty and fries.
Beef patty and fries.
Yeah. And a Pepsi.
Fruit juice.
I don't want fruit juice. There's only one person I get my fruit juice from. It's the juice man.
Ginger beer.
So what you want is not get the fries alone. How much is it? It's a combo.
This one cheese.
No, beef patty.
Get a beef patty and chips. Alright.
Pepsi.
Or large soda. And 2 cheese patty also. Come on. 2 cheese patty, 2 large soda.
A fries and
patty
beef patty. So, I don't even, what kind of cake are we getting her? I don't even know what kind of cake she likes. Vanilla?
2012?
2013, yeah.
This is their ticket. Alright.
2013.
2013. That's our number.
No?
That is our order number.
Order.
Stay at work.
Enjoy your night. Enjoy your day, okay?
So he works at the hotel. What's the hotel called again? Ibero Star. Ibero Stars. I'm just here enjoying my, what is it, juicy patty.
I'm trying to break you out of your shell. You just turned 21 home. Let's explore the unknown.
We're on our way to
not drinking
right
with me,
now.
force me to
Let's have to bakery to get
no peer pressure. I just know you like to get in your zone. You say that you rather smoke. Well, let me call them always.
I don't even know what you're gonna help me pick one, right?
Probably got that extra spell. I never second guess it. I was feeling over.
From scratch and pick it up tomorrow?
So you ain't going to?
Yeah. It's raining. I swear every vlog we made it's been raining. Except for 1 or 2. But it's been raining since like Friday or Saturday. But then again, it's rain season out here. Yo, I love their patties, but the one thing I hate is they're so messy. Like the crumbs are falling down my shirt. Cold patty? My patty's hot. I got a fresh patty, mine's hot. dark. And obviously we can't put on the flash. Can't put on the flash in there. But we seen what's it called? Mad Max. I'm joking. Mad Max something Fury.
Mad Max.
Yo, the movie was so weird. Like, I was laughing the whole time. It was just so funny.
Action,
and it was 3D, so this one was like dodging the stuff that were coming at us.
So, you know,
it was so funny because I'm like, why are you dodging? My drink's gonna fall. But yeah, it's a good movie though. Rose Hall. Okay, the house up there. I don't know if you can see it. Supposedly, some lady had. Well, she had like pencils they killed them. Supposedly the house is haunted. I don't know if it's true or not, but that's a so-called tale. I'm gonna have to Google that one to see. Now with the coconut on his head. What kind of wood is this? What kind of wood? Oh, right now we're at Scotchies getting some jerk pork. This is the guy that serves me every time I come in.
Sweet food, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Fresh jerk pork.
Big up yourself, right?
Yeah.
the 2 lemon.
The pepper is hot.
Lemon.
I just got the pepper juice.
You're gonna drink.
No, I dare you to drink it and don't even. I'll pay you $1,000.
$3,000.
So right now we're eating bami. This is bami. It's like fried cassava. Is that what it is? Cassava?
Never cassava.
I think it's fried cassava. I think that's what bami is. And then we had our jerk pork. But what is it made out of? Oh my gosh.
Bami. I don't know, but
I heard that just now.
What?
You're like,
no, me just ain't gonna say I seed, but then ain't that no sound good.
anyways, this is like heaven right now. It tastes so good. Even though we're almost done, I should have recorded before, but
it's like anybody come to Jamaica and want just say you play. Right,
yes.
Megan?
Anybody, if you come to Jamaica and you're in Montego Bay, I don't know, is there one in Kingston?
No.
I don't know if there's one in Kingston, but if you come to Montego Bay and you want like good jerk chicken and jerk pork, not even jerk chicken, jerk pork, go to Scotchies. 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 What we said?
That.
Finger licking good Scotchies, best jerk pork, I swear to you. Okay, we're gonna go finish eating now, bye. Turn to the side. Give me a side view. Oh, next way. Oh, model for me now. Oh. What's up?
Nothing.
How was school?
Fine.
How was school?
Fine.
Good?
Nisha, I forgot I never go today.
Oh, you didn't go? Oh, you went to go do your passport, right?
Yeah. The picture passport.
Passport picture? What's up? Please behave. That's what I have to deal with. On the daily, you just bother me for no reason. Stop, man. Ziggy. Ah! why do you want it? So you can sling me again?
Give me some.
So look, Ziggy got a lineup today. Ah! Say hi.
Hi.
So wait, let me introduce you. Let me formally introduce you. So this is one of my friends. Your day is good?
Yeah?
You had a good day today?
Yeah, man, I have a good day today.
Everything was good?
Yeah, man.
That's good. So yeah, we're just here chilling, waiting to close up. Ziggy's tired. What's for dinner?
Yo, yeah, I don't know this thing.
What's for dinner? Tell me what's for dinner first.
What's for dinner? Let me help cook.
We're both hungry, but we don't know what we want. I don't know what I want to eat. What to eat? We're gonna hunt some crabs tonight. Is that what we're doing? Wait, what are we doing? We're gonna go. What are we doing? Hunting crabs? We're gonna get some crabs. Like I'm going in the bush to catch crabs.
Your gloves on.
In my gloves, my boots, everything. Like, is something gonna bite me?
Like two of them, man.
Is something gonna bite me though?
No, yeah. So that's why you will get gloves on, so that's not crowd.
I'm scared.
You cover it like this.
So get me goggles too. So right now,
So
we're on our way to Crab Bush to go catch some crab.
Experience crab bush. Or we go on crab, you see me? Yeah, so I do only for one thing.
Pause before we even get into that. This is George.
Russian.
Can't even really see him, but
George, aka
Russian. He's taken, so don't try to holler at him. Okay? But anyways, I don't know if I should be scared right now or if I should be excited. I'm kind of
I'm gonna
scared.
if you're scared. Or maybe like two buggers. You're afraid of spider.
Not.
Or that. I'm not.
And I'm wearing black, so I won't even know.
Well, you have all your gears and everything ready, so you're good.
Hopefully, I come out alive. It's like 8:50 right now, so we're just on our way.
Say that over your subscriber.
I love all my subscribers. Oh my god, he remembered you guys. Shout out to Ziggy remembering all the subscribers. Anyways, we'll try to catch some footage. So we just reached the bush and they already caught one crab already. Is that how you're supposed to grab it?
We can't take a piece with the left hand glove.
Take this one.
A left hand.
Oh. So just flip it the other way.
Come take up the crab. As you are right on the boy, you have to watch him.
So we just left one crab bush.
Extra.
That was an experience. You see my boots? Stepped in a swamp. I feel like I was sinking. Let me catch Ziggy.
A mad ass man. Yeah, I'm gonna say. A mad pre man. Two.
Yo, we got 2 crabs.
Only 2 crabs.
This man was diving off of them like.
Yo, George, already.
Yo, George, how much did George catch? Like 4?
4.
Or 3.
Ah, you're in the far from me then.
But that was definitely an experience. I look like a thug.
Wait, go walk. Come pick up your cat. So,
anyways, we're going to another
oh,
bush.
yeah, talk to you.